Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to replace a green screen background in Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new project. Go to Uploads, click Upload Files to upload your video. Then, click the video to add it to the page. Next, click Select Video, click BG Remover, then we can see the green screen background being removed. Next, go to the Elements, search as needed, click Photo, select an image, click Add to Page, then right-click and choose Set Image as background. Next, click Video. We can also choose a video as the background. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.